when you have something like 1 to the power 23, we still give you 1. So anything 1 is raised to, we still give us 1. 1 square, we still give us 1. So that's basically what this is stating. So 1 raised to any power will give us 1. So that's basically what this is talking about. Okay, even 1 raised to power 0 will still give us 1. Now let's look at the seventh rule. This seventh rule involves fraction, and this is basically where you see most of your math questions because the fraction aspect of it is usually tricky. So you have to be careful with fractions. Now let's look at the seventh rule here. Let's say we are given something like this. This is a mixed fraction. We have something like 1/3/5. And we have the power outside to be 3. So firstly, you need to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So when you do, you're going to have 5 times 1, that's 5 plus 3. We're going to have 8/5. Then the power is outside. Now, basically, when you have dealing with fraction and you have the power outside, the values inside will have the power. So you distribute the power outside to the values inside. That's basically what it's talking about. Okay, so when you do this, this is going to give us 8 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. When you distribute the powers, so when you simplify this further, our final result will give us 8 to the power 3, that's 8 times 8 times 8. So it's going to give us 512 over 5 to the power 3, that's 5 times 5 times 5. It's going to give us 125. So that's basically what this rule is trying to explain. Another typical example, now let's work with letters. Let's say we are given something like C over V, and we have the power outside to be 4. So the values inside will take the power. So this is going to give us T to the power 4 over V to the power 4. That's basically what this rule is stating.